Physical description: Gabriel García Márquez. Brown eyes, bushy eyebrows, abundant red hair, wavy white skin, wearing glasses. Its physical attributes: always smiling. Personality: he was shy and serious, little even though physical activities. He wrote humorous poems and read common street in the boarding school class where he studied in Barranquilla. He was true to these principles and loyal to his friends. He had the quality of skin harmony. The Gabo was of a people who always had the quality to act. He was very wit. He was responded with very nice things that made his friends laugh. He loved to sing and he had a good sense of humor.